Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make green onion scallion curry. As you know, in my garden I have a lot of these green onions, so I have decided to cook them and show it to you how to cook these green onions. So in order to cook the green onions, first you need to warm up some oil. I'm using about 1 tablespoon oil, and if you want you can use more. I use less oil in my food cooking. So all my cooking videos will have very minimum oil, and also the ingredients, I do not use too many ingredients. I use like about 4 or 5 ingredients at the most, and also I try to make it tasty with less ingredients. I do not believe the old-fashioned way Indian cooking where you need so many spices, like you need a whole rack full of spices just to cook one item. This is very difficult if you are trying to cook in a hurry and you need so many arrangements. So as your oil getting heated up, you put, this one has pinch of asafoetida, which is hing, and cumin seed in it. Just you put it in, so it will do little bit splattering. It will reduce the heat and keep moving this thing or they get burned pretty fast. And if it's burned, if you burn the cumin seed, it's going to be a very different taste, which is like a bad taste. And now in this one you put some garlic, and you saute the garlic a little bit. You can reduce the heat more if you need to. So make sure your garlic is little bit sauteed and your cumin seeds are tough, not very soft. They have to be crunchy, tough, but not burnt. Now to this I'm adding about a whole lot of green onion. I would say about 7 or 8 bunches, and each bunch is consisting of 4 or 5 green onions. So I had a lot in my garden from cooking this one. This will last me 3-4 days, so I don't have to cook every day. I usually do all my cookings on Saturday, Sunday. So I added the green onions. After you add the green onion, you can increase the flame little bit. And to this I will be adding about half to 1 teaspoon, depending on how much green onion you have. For this one, mine about 1 teaspoon. And salt about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, depending on how salty you like. I like always less salt. And this is a spice blend. You can use any kind of spice blend. This is, I'm using just regular chana masala. You can use any kind of spice blend. They are easily available in any of your Asian, Indian store. I have seen this in some Korean or Vietnamese store. So you get one of those blend, either meat masala or chana masala, any kind of blend, and depending on how hot they are, you can use from half a teaspoon to a whole teaspoon. So this is about a whole teaspoon. And now you're going to move this and keep your heat little bit high until you move it and see little bit of reducing. And so the water has reduced now. As you see, it's very little water in it now, and you can reduce further more and make it very dry, but I like to keep mine little bit watery because it tastes good that way. And since this is green onion, you don't want to cook it too much. You want to cook just like 20 minutes. Now this looks pretty good. Now just transfer it in a bowl. Turn off the heat. So now this is how your green onion curry will look like, and it really tastes awesome. So how you eat it is you put it on top of some brown rice, and you will be serving it like this. First you put little bit juice, and then you put green onion on top of it like this. So this is how your curry will look like, and this is how you will serve it. You will serve it with on top of brown rice or white rice. You will have little bit of juice at the bottom and then the green onions on top. On the side of this could go egg whites. Usually I do sauteed egg whites, which I will show you next, how to saute the egg whites and put it in the side of this. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I will be seeing you with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.